Hello and welcome to Cloud Perceptor channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate Anthropic Claude API in Java. So let me just give you some overview like for Claude API from Anthropic. So it is a fascinating tool for developers who are interested in kind of integrating artificial intelligence into their applications. It also offers a wide range of features from NLP, natural language processing, to computer vision, allowing developers to create more intelligent and interactive experiences for users. With Claude API Anthropic, developers can harness the power of AI to analyze images, understand text, and much more, making their applications smarter and more capable. So I will now show you how you can write Java code in order to integrate with Claude API. First of all, let's work on generating the API key. So here I am logged into console.anthropic.com. This is my dashboard. Okay, it offers you a single point of access to kind of generating the prompt. You can also invite collaborators, kind of get the API keys. And also there is a prompt library. So when you click on the get API keys, it will take you to the screen wherein you can create the API key. So just give it a name like demo key and click on create key. Alright, just copy this key and now we'll work on integrating this in Eclipse in our Java code. So here this is the code for Maven project where I am going to invoke the API for Anthropic Claude. First of all, let me show you the dependencies section in pom.xml where, as you can see, I have this dependency added over here, which is dev.langchain4j and the Anthropic, and the version is 0.30.0. I've added one more dependency for the LangChain purpose. So in the next video, I'm going to cover the LangChain integration in Java. Okay. So these are the two classes that I will require: Anthropic chat model and chat language model. I'm creating an instance of a model with the parameter of API key. Next is I'm starting the interaction. I'm putting the prompt over here with the generate method, and I'm printing the output. So my prompt is simple, like I just want to create a classic hello world Java code. Okay, so let's quickly run this software, this program, and see. Alright, so it's too quick. This is the basic Java code for the hello world. This is output what we got. It has created a program. The explanation is also there, like what exactly it is, and as you can see, it is also explained how you can run this program and what's gonna be the desired output. So this is a simple program, but you can do many complex things with this, like you can also create a chatbot, so and also integrate the LangChain, like So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching this, and do like and subscribe my channel. See you again in the next video. Thank you.